1991 GMC K1500 Jimmy. This particular vehicle, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, spent the majority of its life in Washington. As the previous owner states, rust-free vehicle. Powered by a 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with, I guess you call it a 4-speed manual transmission. I guess you get three speeds in the low gear, so ultimately 4-speed manual transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. If you want to check out the still pictures, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Black with the maple or burgundy interior. As you can see, bucket seats up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little closer, start it up, let you hear it run. Paint does show its age a little bit. There's some imperfections that have been touched up. See right there, another little spot right there. So a few things in the paint been touched up, but overall you can see around the wheel wells. And of course, one of the spots you always see them starting to rust when they do. Behind the rear wheels, up above the wheel wells, down above the running boards. And this one looking good. And again, you'll be able to check out still pictures every angle on this one so you can take a peek at it. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Receiver on the rear of it. Riding on the BF Goodrich all-terrain TA radials. Also look good. Of course, this would be removable. This back piece. Let's go ahead and take a look around the wheel wells on the driver's side here. Don't see any bubbling or anything coming through there either. Looks like the LeBron silver stirrup type running boards. All right, let's take a peek at the interior. Of course, you'd have the second row bench seat. Get rid of that chime. Be able to see that. It appears the seats that are fabric and everything, good condition. No rips, tears, missing a trim piece here. Door panels. Let's go ahead and start it up. Dash mat. One crack there. Otherwise, looks good underneath there. Keep it from getting faded. Sun baked at all. Power rear window. Switch down here. Of course, manual transfer case. There's what I was talking about, the theoretically 4-speed transmission. 3 gears in low. So total forward. 4 forward gears. Odometer reads 147, 419. That coincides with the miles in the Carfax. And again, Carfax, no accidents indicated. Spent the majority of its life in Washington State. Get an idea how it runs. All right, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood open. Take a look at the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Clean engine bay considering the age of the vehicle, and just lack of corrosion. You can see on the inner fender wells. Again, 5.7 liter, V8, power steering, power brakes, AC. Sounds good, smooth running. There you go. These are getting harder and harder to come by. 1991 GMC K1500 Jimmy. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.